Imagine a faint whisper from the stars, a mysterious signal slicing through the vastness of interstellar space, beckoning us with questions that ignite the imagination. Could it be aliens reaching out? Or perhaps something even stranger, beyond our wildest dreams? Recently, researchers stumbled upon a perplexing signal that's been beaming toward Earth for over 3 decades, unnoticed until now. The discovery sent shivers down the spines of scientists, leaving them scrambling to decode its origins. Who, or what, could be sending this cosmic message, and what does it mean for humanity's place in the universe? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the unknown. Since 1937, when American amateur astronomer Grote Reber built the world's first working radio telescope in his backyard, humanity has been eavesdropping on the cosmos, hoping to catch a whisper of extraterrestrial life. With his homemade device, Reber mapped the radio structure of our Milky Way, pinpointed dazzling sources of radio waves beyond our galaxy, and laid the groundwork for discoveries like non-thermal radiation. His pioneering work opened a window to the stars, allowing us to listen for signs that we're not alone. But to understand these cosmic signals, we first need to grasp the magic of radio waves. Radio waves, like their cousin light waves, dance across the electromagnetic spectrum at the staggering speed of light, 186,282 miles per second. That's 300 million meters per second, fast enough to circle Earth 7 times in a single tick of the clock. These invisible waves carry the secrets of the universe, and for decades, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has scoured the skies for radio signals that might hint at advanced civilizations like our own. Every now and then, the cosmos delivers something extraordinary, like the iconic WOW signal that stunned the world on August 15, 1977. Detected by the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University's Perkins Observatory, the WOW signal was a 72-second burst of radio energy so remarkable that astronomer Dr. Jerry Emin, who discovered it, circled it on a computer printout and scrawled, "WOW," in red ink. Why the excitement? This wasn't just any signal. It pulsed at 1420.4 megahertz, a frequency known as the hydrogen line, a cosmic sweet spot where hydrogen atoms in space emit a unique fingerprint of radio waves. Many scientists believe this frequency is a natural choice for any advanced civilization trying to say hello across the stars. The signal was strong, narrow, and unlike anything expected from natural sources, leaving astronomers baffled. For over 40 years, the WOW signal has remained one of the greatest enigmas in SETI's history, a tantalizing hint of something, or someone, out there. Could it have been a beacon from a distant world? Or is there a simpler explanation waiting to be uncovered? As we dive deeper into this cosmic mystery, what other secrets might the stars reveal? Let's turn 7 continues to haunt astronomers with its mystery. In 2017, Professor Antonio Paris from St. Petersburg College proposed a bold theory. Could the signal have come from comets 266P/Christensen and 335P/Gibbs, each trailed by vast clouds of hydrogen gas stretching millions of miles? It sounded plausible, but not everyone was convinced. Dr. Jerry Emin, the astronomer who first spotted the WOW signal, shook his head. But the signal never repeated, and comets would have left a double signature, 2 72-second pulses within a minute and a half, as the Big Ear telescope's dual feed horns scanned the sky. That didn't happen. Picture a cosmic tease, a single note played once and never again, leaving us grasping for answers. Emin, though, isn't ready to call it aliens either, keeping the mystery deliciously open-ended. The WOW signal remains the most powerful and perplexing radio burst we've ever detected, a cosmic riddle that may never be solved. But it's not the only strange whisper from the stars. In 2020, a team sifting through data from Australia's ESCAP radio telescope stumbled upon something even more baffling, right at the heart of our Milky Way. Among 2 million objects emitting signals, most easily identified as stars or pulsars, those rapidly spinning dead stars, one object defied explanation. It sent 6 powerful radio bursts over 9 months, each with an irregular pattern and polarized emissions unlike anything researchers had seen before. Imagine a signal pulsing erratically from the galaxy's core, like a cryptic heartbeat from an unknown source. What made this discovery even stranger? This mysterious object was invisible in X-ray, visible, or infrared light, a ghostly presence detectable only by its radio waves. Scientists listened for months with 2 different telescopes, only to watch the signal vanish without a trace. Then, a year later, it flickered back to life for a single day before disappearing again. This was no ordinary star or pulsar, it was something entirely new. Could it be one of the rare, galactic center radio transients, GCRTs? A category with only 3 other known members, each taking a decade to uncover? These elusive signals have scientists scratching their heads, wondering if they're neutron stars orbiting in a cosmic dance, eclipsing each other's radio bursts, or perhaps dying pulsars gasping out their final, irregular emissions. Before we leap to visions of alien broadcasts, let's pause. Technological signals, like our own radio broadcasts, typically occupy a narrow frequency range, unlike the broader emissions of these GCRTs. Still, the mystery lingers, tantalizing us with possibilities. Hope lies on the horizon with the Square Kilometre Array, a massive new telescope being built in Australia and South Africa, set to come online in 2028. With its unprecedented sensitivity, it might finally decode these cosmic whispers. What are these strange signals trying to tell us? Could we be hearing the whispers of an advanced civilization right now, hidden in the static of the cosmos? While we might think the stars have been silent, a stunning discovery has shaken that notion. Scientists recently uncovered a mysterious object, 15,000 light-years away, that's been beaming strange radio signals toward Earth since at least 1988, completely unnoticed until now. Picture a distant beacon pulsing with energy, sending bursts of radio waves every 20 minutes or so, sometimes lingering for a full 5 minutes, like a cosmic metronome keeping time across the galaxy. For 35 years, these signals have danced across space, varying in brightness, evading our detection until this moment. What could be calling us from so far away? At first, researchers thought this might be the work of a magnetar, a neutron star with a magnetic field so intense it dwarfs Earth's by 1 trillion times. Imagine a force so powerful that, from halfway to the moon, it could wipe the data off your credit card in an instant. Magnetars are cosmic dynamos, their crusts cracking in violent starquakes that unleash torrents of X-rays and gamma rays, detectable even from Earth. These cataclysmic events seemed like a perfect explanation for the mysterious signals. But could they be more? Perhaps a deliberate message from an alien civilization, reaching out across the void? The idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. When the first pulsar was discovered, scientists playfully dubbed it LGM-1, short for Little Green Men 1, before realizing it was a rapidly spinning neutron star, sweeping beams of energy like a celestial lighthouse. Pulsars, though, have a predictable rhythm, slowing down as they age until their radio pulses fade entirely. The object sending these new signals, however, doesn't fit the mold. It mimics a pulsar but spins a staggering 1,000 times slower, pulsing at a leisurely 22-minute interval. This sluggish rhythm rules out a typical pulsar, leaving scientists puzzled. Could it be an ultra-long period magnetar, a rare breed of neutron star capable of sporadic, powerful energy bursts? Even that theory stretches the limits of what we know, as no known magnetar pulses so infrequently. The truth remains elusive, tantalizingly out of reach until our technology catches up. The signal's irregular pattern and slow cadence defy easy answers, sparking dreams of contact with a distant civilization. Is it possible that an advanced society is broadcasting to us, their message lost in the vastness of space? Theoretically, yes. But catching such a signal requires us to tune into the right frequency range, like finding a single station on an infinite radio dial. The challenge is immense, yet the possibility electrifies the imagination. What secrets does this slow-spinning cosmic beacon hold? Could it be a natural phenomenon or something far stranger, beckoning us to listen closer? Let's turn to the next page to explore the possibilities of these interstellar signals and what they might reveal about our place in the universe. Imagine tuning a radio to catch a band between 1420 and 1662 MHz, where hydrogen and hydroxyl emissions create a cosmic sweet spot for communication. But here's the catch. What if an advanced civilization doesn't use these frequencies? There's no cosmic rulebook guaranteeing they choose the same channels we're scanning. Picture a distant species broadcasting on an entirely different wavelength, their message sailing past us like a ship in the night. To make matters trickier, any signal crossing interstellar distances would need to be staggeringly powerful or aimed precisely at our solar system to stand a chance of detection. The universe plays hard to get with its vast distances. Radio signals weaken rapidly, following the inverse square law, fading into whispers over light years. To illustrate, if you placed a smartphone on the moon, its tiny signal would outshine most cosmic radio sources in our sky. That's how quickly signal strength drops. Timing is another hurdle. A civilization's broadcast would need to reach us exactly when we're technologically equipped to listen. Too early, and our ancestors would miss it. Too late, and humanity might be a distant memory. Our own radio signals, sent out since the dawn of radio, have only traveled a modest 200 light years, a mere speck in the galactic map, barely visible as a faint blue. Science fiction loves to imagine aliens picking up our noisy broadcasts and zooming to Earth, but reality is less cinematic. The speed of light limits how far our signals have gone. When you gaze at Sirius, the brightest star in our sky, 8.6 light-years away, you're seeing light that left it over 8 years ago. Stare at Dubhe, the star in the Big Dipper's bowl, and you're glimpsing light older than your own birth. Now imagine a civilization 65 million light-years away peering at Earth. They'd see dinosaurs roaming, not our modern cities. If they caught our radio signals, we might be long gone by the time they respond, unless they've mastered wormholes to bend space and time itself. What if aliens communicate in ways we can't even fathom? Their technology might dwarf ours, using methods beyond radio waves, or they might choose silence for reasons we can't guess. Projects like Breakthrough Listen are pushing the boundaries, scanning the skies with unprecedented sensitivity, hunting for any hint of extraterrestrial broadcasts. Recent studies suggest that some of our strongest radio signals may have already reached distant stars. Could those stars host civilizations ready to reply? The possibility sends chills down the spine, hinting at a universe alive with voices we've yet to hear. What would it mean to finally catch that cosmic call? Are we on the verge of decoding signals from a distant world, or is the universe playing a grand game of hide and seek? Let's turn to the next page to explore the tantalizing possibilities and what a response from the stars could mean for humanity. Imagine picking up a signal from the stars, a cosmic message that could change everything. Some astronomers believe we might hear a response to our own radio broadcasts as early as 2029, a tantalizing prospect that sets the heart racing. But would an advanced civilization really use radio waves to say hello? Picture a distant species, cautious and wise, hesitant to broadcast their existence to unknown corners of the galaxy. These optical signals, focused and coherent, could scream, "We're here," to anyone watching. Yet, even lasers are bound by the speed of light, taking years to cross the galactic expanse. Or picture automated probes, like our own Voyager spacecraft, sent on epic journeys to deliver messages or gather data. Recent news of unexplained objects spotted by fighter pilots only fuels the imagination. Could these be alien probes, silently observing us? Then there are even wilder possibilities. Neutrinos, ghostly particles that slip through matter like it's not even there, could carry messages across the universe, though modulating and detecting them would require technology far beyond our current grasp. What about gravitational waves, ripples in space-time we've only just begun to detect? An advanced civilization might manipulate these waves to send signals, crafting controlled cosmic events to catch our attention. Or imagine a message encoded in DNA, hidden within engineered microbes or even life forms already on a planet. A biological postcard from the stars. Some civilizations might go bigger, altering their star's light to create a beacon. Picture a star dimming and brightening in a deliberate pattern, a cosmic signal flare visible across galaxies. Even grander, megastructures like Dyson spheres, massive constructs harnessing a star's energy, could serve as both a power source and a glaring sign of intelligent life. And while quantum entanglement tantalizes with dreams of faster-than-light communication, our current science says it's a long shot. Still, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself, each one sparking a sense of wonder about how aliens might choose to reach out. What would it mean to finally connect with another civilization? Could their methods of communication reveal not just their presence, but their intentions? Let's turn to the next page to explore the profound implications of contact and what meeting an extraterrestrial race might mean for humanity's future. Picture this. A signal from the stars confirms we're not alone, and humanity stands at the threshold of a new era. What would happen if we made contact with an extraterrestrial civilization? Would it unite us or unravel us? The discovery of alien life would undoubtedly be the most monumental event in human history, sending ripples through every facet of our existence, our societies, beliefs, and dreams. The mere knowledge that we share the universe with others could spark a profound shift, but the details remain as mysterious as the cosmos itself. Imagine the world pausing as the news breaks. We are not alone. This shared realization could ignite a sense of global unity, a cosmic wake-up call reminding us of our common humanity. Nations, often divided by borders and conflicts, might find new reasons to cooperate, forging alliances to face the unknown together. But not so fast. What if these aliens open a wormhole and appear on Earth's doorstep? The possibility of hostile intentions, like those in blockbuster invasion films, would force us to bolster our defenses, preparing for scenarios we can scarcely imagine. Could an advanced civilization pose an existential threat, or would they come in peace? Then there's the invisible danger, alien microbes. Just as bacteria thwarted the invaders in War of the Worlds, an extraterrestrial pathogen could wreak havoc on Earth's ecosystems or human health. Scientists would race to understand these foreign organisms, working to protect our planet from unintended consequences. Beyond biology, contact could shake the foundations of our beliefs. Traditional religious and philosophical frameworks might struggle to incorporate the existence of alien life. Would some faiths adapt to embrace this new reality, or could the revelation challenge spirituality to the point of fading away entirely? On the flip side, imagine the wonders of a friendly exchange. A benevolent alien civilization might share knowledge that catapults humanity forward, new energy sources to power our world, medical breakthroughs to heal our bodies, or insights into the universe that redefine our understanding of existence. Picture scientists and engineers marveling at technologies beyond our wildest dreams, unlocking possibilities we never thought possible. The exchange could herald a golden age of discovery, transforming life on Earth in ways we can only begin to fathom. So, what do you think? Will we ever catch a signal from an advanced civilization? If we do, will they bring peace or peril? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're eager to hear your cosmic speculations. As we ponder these questions, the universe keeps whispering its secrets, daring us to listen closer. What other surprises await us among the stars? Let's turn to the next page to explore the future of our search and the thrilling possibilities that lie ahead.